Algae is a primitive form of life, a single-celled or simple multi-celled organism that is able to conduct the process of photosynthesis. It is generally found in water, but can also be found elsewhere, growing on such surfaces as rocks or trees. The various types of algae are classified according to their pigmentation or coloration. Blue-green algae, or cyanophyta, can grow at very high temperatures and under high-intensity light. This is a microscopic type of algae, and some species consist of only one cell. Blue-green, maybe that's a misspelling. Blue-green algae is the oldest form of life with photosynthetic capabilities, and fossilized remains of this type of algae more than 3.4 billion years old have been found in parts of Africa. Green algae, or chlorophyta, is generally found in freshwater, which is usually one word, I think. It reproduces on the surfaces of enclosed bodies of water such as ponds or lakes and has the appearance of a fuzzy green coating on the water. In large quantities, this type of algae may reproduce enough to give a green color to an entire lake. Brown algae, or phaeophyta, grows in shallow, temperate water. This type of algae is the largest in size and is most recognizable as a type of seaweed. Kelp is a type of brown algae that has grown to lengths of up to 200 feet. Its long stalks can be enmeshed on the ocean floor, or it can float freely on the ocean surface. Red algae, or rhodophyta, is a small, delicate organism found in the deep waters of the subtropics, where it often grows with coral. This type of algae has an essential role in the formation of coral reefs. It secretes lime from the seawater to foster the formation of limestone deposits. So there are about, I think, 9 questions, which Dua Sensei will review with you. What is the author's main purpose? Oops, some typos. Should be authors, if there's only one, or with an S and apostrophe, there's more than one. Which of the following is not true about algae? So it is a process of elimination. Number 3, the word pigmentation in line means size, shape, composition, color. The word microscopic in line 6 is closest in meaning to. Algae remnants found in Africa are. Green algae is generally found. The word coding in line 11 could best be replaced by. This is a very interesting type of question. It shows lexical knowledge, the knowledge of word meanings. So sometimes they'll ask you to replace one word with another word, but to keep the original meaning as close as possible. It really shows that you understand the meaning and that you have a good vocabulary. Brown algae would most likely be found where? According to the passage, red algae is, and it can be inferred from the passage that limestone deposits serve as the basis of what? So in questions that ask for inferences, if it asks you to infer or asks what was inferred, it is information that is not clearly told to you. But from the other information, you can guess that it is true. Okay? And we have 2 more. How is the information in the paragraph organized? And this passage would most probably be assigned reading in a course on, what do you think? In a course on chemistry, in a course on physics, in a course on botany, or in a course on zoology, or in some parts of the world people say zoology, I've heard. Do you know these different fields? Chemistry, physics, botany, zoology? You will discuss them with Dua Sensei. So let me stop.